James McMullen. As the former California State Fire Marshal and a forensic fire expert, I have been involved in the investigation of many public assemblies fires, including nightclubs. Public assemblies include churches, restaurants, bars, and other types of public assemblies where people gather together for purposes of education, entertainment, or places of worship. Unfortunately, we have many serious fires involving those occupancies because so many people gather together in that kind of a facility, and then if we have an emergency, their ability to escape is oftentimes hindered. And those things include overcrowding, blocked exits, and the like. I'd just like to say that it's important for anyone that's involved in public assemblies or nightclub fires to consider using our services here at the McMullen Company, and I would be happy to serve as a forensic expert in your case and help you to bring this thing to a satisfactory resolution. Thank you very much.